When you start on YouTube without your face, the first thing that everyone runs into as a problem is their voice. They're not confident in their voice. Everyone hates to hear their voice. You record your friend and you put him on your phone, you record him, you play it back, and he's like, turn it off. Everyone does not like their voice. They don't like to hear it back. You probably don't like to hear your voice back, right? And something that is awesome about content creation is when you make content, that goes away. You get more confident, and that previous dislike of your own voice, that previous lack of confidence is replaced with clarity, confidence, and the ability to convey your ideas effectively. Now, something interesting that I've run into after doing this channel is that I now have to improve the way that I speak with my face, with my body language. And I have a channel called SmartyRBX. This channel has over 76,000 subscribers. I do not show my face. I only talk with my mic. And the thing is that when you're doing this, it gives you all that benefit of constantly improving your communication in terms of speech. But then you go over to making videos with your face in them, and now it's like restarting completely. It's like restarting, starting over, and starting anew, completely starting fresh. When I first started, I looked at my video, I play it back, and I see my body language, I see my facial expressions, and I start thinking, wow, this is not good. This is embarrassing. And I start thinking, wow, I gotta improve my body language and my facial expressions, everything. It's like restarting where, okay, I improved my voice before doing hundreds of videos on SmartyRBX. I improved my confidence, but now I gotta start and improve my body language and all the other aspects of my communication. And it just shows how much that you can improve with YouTube. If you have not started your channel, just start. You're gonna learn a lot. You're going to develop your confidence. You're gonna develop your ability to speak and convey your ideas effectively. And once you start with your voice, you're gonna gain those benefits. And then once you start doing videos with your face, now you're gonna be able to improve your communication in terms of your body language, your facial expressions, and all the other aspects of your communication that you need to have right to be a truly effective communicator in all ways. So, if you have not started on YouTube or in content in general, just start. It's gonna benefit you in all ways. And as you go through the levels of YouTube, whether that's starting without your face, to going to having just your voice, all the way to having full-blown your face, your voice, everything in your content, it is a wild journey, and you're gonna learn a lot, and you're going to develop your skills in all ways as you go. So just start and click here to learn about some frameworks that you can use to build an educational business, as I have, to reach $4,000 a month some months on my other channel, $4,000 a month. And I'm increasing it all the time. I'm working on it all the time. I'm looking to push past that barrier. We're all developing, growing, learning, and just starting on this channel. So get started. See you next video.